What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another video lesson. Today I'm going to be talking to you about how to verify your trades on Kinfo. Kinfo has been around for a couple years now and is slowly but surely becoming one of the best places to verify one's trading performance. People like Sang Lucci, Stephen Dux, Michael Good, and even some of my students are using Kinfo to prove that they unequivocally trade. Unlike Profitly, that allows people to skip certain trades during the verification process, Kinfo does not permit this. If you are confused but what I mean by skipping trades or deleting trades during Profitly verification, please watch my other video entitled How to Verify Your Trades Using Profitly. Kinfo also makes the distinction between imported trades, which are considered non-verified, and verified trades, which directly come from the broker's API. Kinfo also has a suite of tools that help traders analyze their trading performance, and it has a mobile application that allows the user to see their performance on the go. So let's log in to Kinfo to go over everything they have to offer. So I've already done that. You can, of course, sign up for free to follow along. So this is a small account of mine that I verified on Kinfo for over a year, just so that they could work on their API connection. And for you, you probably have a blank profit, blank average gain, blank winning trades, blank average gain. And so to get this all verified trades thing here, you have to go into settings on the top right, then go to broker connection, and then choose the broker that you have to connect them to Kinfo. And you also see that there's a button here that says search for brokers, just in case this list doesn't have what you're looking for. Now remember, just like Profitly, Kinfo does not support every single broker under the sun. It's impossible, but they try to work with different brokers to integrate into Kinfo for their end users, and they continue to roll out new broker integration every couple months, obviously if they can reach an agreement with that broker. The other cool thing about Kinfo is this trading journal button, which kind of breaks down your trades. You can also go to reports, which gives you more statistics on your trading performance, days and times, price and volume, side assets, and the symbols you trade the most. And you can also go to trades, which will put them in kind of this trade by trade order, and that's also helpful if you're looking for a specific trade that you took. And then there's also the leaderboard button, which shows you the top traders that are verified. And it needs to be noted though that to be on the leaderboard, you must verify your trades. If you don't, you cannot be on the leaderboard at all. And if you don't verify trades, let's say for 6 months, then you will drop off the leaderboard automatically until you start to re-verify your trades again. Okay, so unlike Profitly, where everyone can just kind of verify or not verify and they get put on some leaderboard is only for people who verify. Now, let's say you don't see your broker, but you want to use the tools that I just showed you in Kinfo to analyze your trades. So you want to do basically like a CSV import, or maybe you want to import the trades by hand. And so to do that, if you go into settings and do import trades here, then you need to create an account name. So you could write like test like this is just for an example, and then you click on this, and then you would say add a single trade, or you could import the trades as kind of like a bulk import. Okay, and there's all documentation about this. And the last thing you want to do if you want to be transparent or show your friends or post it on a website for whatever reason is you need to go into sharing options and turn on all of these things. Okay, there's also a starting point sharing option, and that may be for people who, let's say, have all of their trading history downloaded for like the last 10 years or something, and they just want to focus on this year and how they're doing. They could just say, okay, start the tracking from this specific point onwards. All right. That's why that's in there. So I hope you guys really explore Kinfo if you're into tracking your trades, or if you want to verify your trades in any capacity, because it's a great site to do it. and it has almost no pitfalls when it comes to verification. However, please keep in mind that this does not include, people getting wrecked by taxes or any of that. This is just net profits minus fees. So that's going to do it for me. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. What's going on, everyone? Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click subscribe and hit the bell notification. Remember, it's not enough just to subscribe anymore. For some fangled reason, YouTube makes you click 2 buttons. That's not my fault, okay? So you have to click subscribe, and then if you want to get notified on new videos, you have to turn on the bell notification.